Hey everyone, Adrian the Tech on your side. Hope you guys are doing good. I have in front of me here is let me open up the hood here. This is a 1964 CJ5. It's a friend of mine. His father has owned it from day one. It's a special order. Guess it's a locking differential in the front, posi in the back, and has a 4-speed on the. Now, my friend wanted a heater core installed on this, heater core assembly. Now, for many of you Jeep guys, because I'm not a Jeep guy, I don't know very much about these. This is where the heater box is, and it had a conduit that went, and it feeds into there to get it fresh air. Not knowing any better, I thought it was a complete bolt-on, and it is not. We removed it. First of all, because I thought it was a bolt-on, I wasn't unsure how it would come. The other reason we took it off, because the heater box, my friend is always hitting it with this boot, and he just says, let's take it out. This is a unit from Kaiser Willy. Now, I couldn't find any information on this heater box and where to install it, how to install it. So I decided to make a video, help anyone who does it, maybe gives you some ideas on how to do it. You can choose to put it out here, but you got to understand you're going to get some CO2 poisoning, because that's what that engine is going to produce, and it's going to feed it in this in the passenger compartment. My friend is planning to put a carp or a cover over this, because he plans to take this hunting. In CO2, you can't smell it, you can't see it, but it will poison you. So with that being said, that's why it's in there. But it's also, I chose to put it here, and I did use self-tapping screws, because I had these punch outs that were already here. They just had tack welds. I punched them out with my chisel, and I put the heater core hoses through it. I did use a file to file all this down, so I took all the sharp edges off. Now, I know I could have put a hole saw, made it larger, put a grommet. I just don't want to damage this Jeep any more than it already is. It has so many holes on the firewall. People have done so much Mickey Mouse on this that you see this right here, the 2 large holes. The switch is here because the hole was already present. It was a huge eyesore. But I use heater core bypasses, as you can tell, to attach the new 5/8 heater core hoses. This one is a bit larger, but nonetheless we use 5/8 on all of it. It's a really good unit from Kaiser Willy. It gives you these mounting brackets right here. You see that? And you see the slots that it has in it where you can adjust. See that? You can go out or in. It's a complete unit. Heater core is in it. It's made really well. I like it. It's made out of steel. There's the blower motor, the wiring harness. All this comes complete. It already comes with minus of this right here. I had to make the ends here. I think he had the ends. Well, nonetheless, wires. I did have to purchase the fusible fuse holder for this. This is what it sounds like: high, medium, low. I just had to change the power feed. I want to use something that is only 12 volts when the vehicle is running. Sorry about that. I just realized I had the video camera angled. Let me see if I can get better shots now for you. See that? That's where the heater box is at. It's high enough where shoes and boots aren't going to hit it, and it is durable. If it does get hit, it's durable enough to withstand the impact. Now, I will tell you this: I didn't use the switch from Kaiser Willy. I didn't like it. You had to literally put it together. This is a switch that came with the knob from eBay. This is the cover here from Kaiser Willy. The heater core hoses, I took pictures of where I mounted the box. I sent them to my parts guy. He sent me about 12 different pre-bent hoses, and I used what I needed. As you can tell, one of them I mounted in the very back, and it wraps around behind the heater box, and it feeds here. The other one, you can see I just put it in between here, so it'll fit. I haven't put the conduit in, but that's probably what I will do. Obviously, not probably. This is where it's at, guys. I hope this, guys and gals, I should say, I hope this helps you, gives you some ideas roughly of what you should do. And there you go. Again, this is a 3-pole switch. You guys have a good morning. We'll see you.